Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a tutorial on Pennywise from the movie It. So, and I figured out Halloween is not far from now, so I just decided to make this my own Halloween makeup tutorial. And then I used a white concealer to go over my skin. Then I set it with a white powder. Then I used a gel liner, black gel liner, to go over my eyelids. Then I blended it out with dark brown shade. Then I just kind of outlined my brows, and to be very tiny, of course. And then I concealed it with that same white shade. And I went over my eyelids with that black a black eyeshadow, and then underneath my eyes too. So I'm just basically outlining my lips with a brown pencil, and then I'm taking a red lipstick to go over it. Then afterwards I'm going to take a red eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that to go underneath my eyes, and I'm going to link my clown lips. So next I took a red lipstick and I went over my outlined lip shape, and then I took that red eyeshadow from earlier and I used that under my brow bone and I extended it up. The next I went in and mixed that red shade with this very dark purple shade, and next I just took that same red shade and I used that to deepen the eyeshadow part. And next I used that same red lipstick to go over my nose and my big red crown with. So guys, this is just like a tutorial, like that it's very easy for you to recreate at any point in time, because it's Pennywise. Pennywise was rough looking and all. It's just something you don't need any perfection to do. It's just something you just need to do for fun, kind of. Just do it, just like not really with any seriousness. Then I went ahead, I highlighted the tip of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. After which I fixed my lashes and lined with a black gel liner. I lined on the inner my waterlines, and guys, that's just it. This is just a simple tutorial that I can recreate at any point in time for Halloween, for a costume makeup or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye bye.